Hello dear friends. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete an Instagram invitation you sent to the interlocutor. So this is a very quick and simple guide. First we go to Instagram, open our chat, and see the message we will send here. We cannot delete it. If we press it, we can choose to either forward the message or copy it for later use. Next, how do we remove it? Let's go directly to the profile of this account. Click on Profile and see 3 dots on the top right. In the corner, we click on them and here we see Block. Click on Block and confirm block again. Unfortunately, the account has been blocked at this time, which means we will need to shift our focus back to the chat. It's important for us to re-engage in the conversation, as discussing the matter further will help us understand the situation better and possibly explore alternative solutions to resolve any issues. Let's return to the chat and address everything thoroughly. And now we see we have a deleted button. We click deleted, delete. That's it. Our chat has been deleted. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments if my method helped you. See you friends!